If you can't tell, my ass done did something silly. Just cut to the intro. Fucking stop! Ladies and gentlemen, this video is scheduled for one unboxing. Introducing to you today, the broke beauty guru and your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the ring queen, Lexa Rose. I really love that clap track. Clap trap, clap track. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so it's that time where, I know you guys pretty much know I have a BoxyCharm subscription, and I have glitter all over my fucking self. Anyways, today we are doing an unboxing of our BoxyCharm, and I'm really super excited, and I'm really happy because it's a very pretty box this month. This month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. Hopefully this comes out right. I don't know. Anyways, it comes with the following items: the Pure the Complexion Authority Festival Palette, Luxie the Shimmer Days three-piece brush set, Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, Butter London Power Up Mascara, and Starlooks Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. What BoxyCharm is, if you guys don't know by now, it's a makeup subscription. So what you do is you pay for two types of plans. You get the BoxyLuxe, which is a little bit more, or you just get the BoxyCharm, which is $21. Great price, because you get over $100 worth of stuff. Like, the palette, the festival palette itself was $36. I paid $21 for the box. So it already paid for itself in one product. And they're all full size, which is pretty dope because, who doesn't want like full size products? I mean, travel size are good when you're traveling, but I prefer full size. Whatever's. So we're just going to go right into it. Let's just throw up the box really quick so you guys can see what we are working with. This is everything. This is the Starlooks pencil. Okay, well, here's the box right here. As you can see, we've got the Butter London Power Up Mascara. We've got the Luxie brushes. We've got the Pure Festival palette underneath in bubble wrap. We've got the Starlooks eye pencil in, I don't even know what color it is. Oh, Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear eye pencil. And then we've got the Artist Couture Diamond Powder, or Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze. So we're going to do some swatches and, take a look and see. Well, we obviously can't swatch the mascara, but we're going to take everything out and let you see it. So stay tuned. So I don't know if you can see, but this lump that's right there is my daughter Princess. And she's literally like just chilling underneath there. Like, I don't know if you can feel her move, but if you see that tug right there, that's her like laying on the blanket. Okay, so it's a little bit darker. I didn't want to like do the whole box reveal while it was daytime because the sun coming in from there was kind of just making it look really ugly. Not that I'm attractive anyways, but it was just not helping. So with that being said, we are going to continue with our unboxing. Let me take these off because, I mean, as if I didn't look ugly enough as it is. We're going to start with the first item in the box, and it's the Luxie Summer Days brush set. Came in this little package. Very pretty brushes. This is my first time actually getting brushes with a BoxyCharm subscription, so this is actually pretty dope. They don't just give you full-size makeup, they also give you, you know, makeup brushes. They seem very nice. They feel very soft. What it says on the packaging is cruelty-free premium handcrafted brushes. Brushes include the 209 large shader, which I'm assuming is this one, the small shader, which is this one, and then small contouring, which is this really, really, really tiny one. And it says, use these 3 dazzling brushes to achieve your most enchanting makeup looks. So, it came in this cute little plastic package, and, you know, they feel really soft. I'm going to definitely do a video with these, so you guys get to see, you know, how this makeup is in action. So, we're going to just put these right back and go with the next item. The next item we're going to look at is the Starlooks Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Now, it doesn't say on the card which, like, color it is. But, looks like this. I don't know if you could see it. Wish you could really see it. It's really not like showing up like it should. Hold on. I wish you could see it, but we're going to just swatch it right here on my hand. It's a nice pretty shade. You can't really like see it unless it's like all up in there, but that's it right there. Such a crappy camera quality. See? That's it. I mean, if I had better, you know, camera equipment, trust me, this wouldn't be happening. Let's see what it looks like if we put it on our brow bone. You can see I'm wearing glitter on my face. I've lost control of my life. Because, you know, that's what a broke beauty guru does, you know. They lose their jobs, and then they can't find another job. And then they sit at home all day playing with makeup and doing YouTube videos. I have clearly lost control of my life. Okay. Alright, moving on to the next item in the box. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. Now, I'm not going to open it because we all know that these bad boys have an expiration date the moment you open them. So, I'm going to avoid opening them. A lot of my mascaras, I notice that they last a little bit longer when I don't open them. So, there you go. We're going to go right into the next item. And this is the Artist Couture, whatever. Bonjour. And this is the Diamond Glow Powder Loose Powder Highlighter in Summer Haze. You see the theme here, right? I'm going to just take this out and, you know. Oh, it's got like this little knob in it, so you could turn it when you want powder. I don't know if you could see like the holes in it and stuff on that side. There you go. I mean, again, I'm sorry about the lighting quality, but, you know, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. That's what it looks like on my finger. Let's see if we can get a good swatch. Oh, that's not too bad. That's really pretty. Help me. I've lost control of my life. Where do I go from here? Now to the palette. Alrighty. Dun 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 dun. Boop. This is the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette. It's got 12 pressed pigment shades, and it also is a get a grip sample, which means that it comes with get a grip eyeshadow primer. And let's see. Oh. Here is the primer that it comes with. Feels pretty full. I mean, not really. I think that's about the amount of makeup, but it's probably like, it feels like there's a lot of air in it, so who knows. But this is the palette. And as you can tell, I've already put the shade Fireworks on my lid. It's this one right here, but I want to swatch some other colors. So we are going to just kind of swatch a few. We don't have to swatch them all. So I'm going to stick my finger. Ooh. That smells very good. Like chocolate brownies or something. No, it smells like chemicals. I was wrong. I lied to myself. All right, well, we're going to just watch Gypsy, Wild Child, and 24 Karat Magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out. Sorry. Let's, swatch them. By Jove, these are a lot brighter than I've ever seen. Like, I mean, it's not as good as the Riviera palette. Now, that was some pigment, too. I would say it's about the same pale. Wow. That's pretty good. Let's try 24 Karat Magic and see what we get. Okay, y'all. Now, I'm not really into glitters all that much, but this one actually looks nice, and it feels like, it doesn't feel like glitter too much. I mean, you can still feel like the graininess of it, but it still feels like smooth, like a creamy eyeshadow kind of. Yeah, I'm gonna be covered in this stuff for weeks, because glitter is the herpes of arts and crafts. Once you get it, it's hard to get rid of and remove, and you are screwed. This is why I used to tell a certain saying to stop using goddamn glitter in the fucking locker room. Because too many times I've caught Trigger with glitter for no freaking reason. I'm like, only to find out, oh, that's right, we shared a locker room with Jaden, so obviously we're covered in. Wait! I've lost control of my life. I love you. Please tell me I'm beautiful and I'm everything and I'm the most magnificent woman you've ever had in your life. I'll take it. All right. Well, that has been my BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm it's so pretty. Oh. No, I really have lost control of my life. Well, this has been a BoxyCharm unboxing. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you've watched it this far and watched my complete and total mental breakdown, I am the Ring Queen Lexa Rose. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. You know, help me go viral in my temporary insanity. And keep it Gucci Poochie, bitches.